Welcome, everyone. I'm Hudson, and this is Microcasts. "70% of skills will change by 2030. This is the new collar era where learning meets making.
These aren't classrooms. They're reactivated anchor spaces.
While old sectors slump, 1.3 million new roles rise.
New collar means hybrid: metal, wood, code, and care. NSH demands access, education that leads directly to dignity.
The future belongs to those learners.
Learn hand in circuit. Founder is now one of the fastest growing roles on LinkedIn.
AI takes care of the blah, the admin, the coding, the paperwork.
Leaving humans free to focus on the beautiful: story, identity, vision.
Vesper says the barrier to entry has never been lower.
Domain expert, in collaboration with AI, can now do what once required a studio.
Moving forward into the AI era, small business becomes big culture.
NSH calls for equity, giving every creator the tools of a giant.
The creative economy is open.
The next founder might be you.
We're not just using AI anymore, we're managing fleets.
Agent-Fleet Orchestrators keep thousands of models aligned and on task.
And GPU cost tuning specialists keep the whole system affordable.
Some earn $250 an hour just to optimize training expenses.
This is the plumbing of the Agora, the pipes that keep the circuit alive.
Purposeful human-AI collaborative design isn't magic, it's orchestration.
PBS says the public deserves to know how the machine is funded and fueled.
The future runs on fleets and on the people who orchestrate and guide them. Every scan, every check-in, every biometric all becomes data, guiding care with vigilance.
So who protects the human rights inside the circuit?
A new role surges: AI ethics and governance leads.
These guardians earn up to $225,000 to keep systems fair.
Their work ensures AI usage is equitable and fair for all moving forward.
In the new mall-based health hubs, transparency is everything.
The future of wellness depends upon the guardians who protect the circuit.
Thank you for watching Microcasts. I'm Hudson. See you next time.